Hi guys, this is Neha Sawan and I make manifestation technique videos. My videos are mostly on law of attraction and manifestation, also on practical point of view. From practical point of view, I make manifestation and law of attraction videos so that you can understand where the hell are you getting stuck in your manifestation. Okay, I also have Hindi channel. You can also check the channel if you only know Hindi. Doesn't matter. You shouldn't be embarrassed about it. I too don't know many languages. So yeah, coming to the video. This video is on, guys, detachment from the manifestation. Yes, you heard it right. This is detachment video, and why this is important I will explain you in this video. But guys, do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon of my channel, because here I, as I said, make practical videos on law of attraction. Because law of attraction is not a magic, guys. Nothing is magic. Everything has a kind of purpose in it, a kind of process. Okay, even the miracles you see, they are actually not coincidence or any kind of magic. They have a kind of purpose behind it. So yes, what is detachment? you know uh, Maybe you have heard that Krishna's dialogue. You do not have to take that tension of the outcome. You have to do your work. You do not have to take the tension. In Hindi it is called tu karm karta ja, kal ki chinta mat kar. Why it is said? Why you have this is called detachment. First of all, you do not have to think about the outcome or the result of whatever you are doing. Now, does it mean that the outcome will not come? Well, this is not true. Why this is said by Krishna is, when you take all kind of tension, I am doing this. Maybe you are taking physical action for your manifestation. Okay, maybe you have to clear a government exam for government job, and I'm giving example, and you feel, I don't know why, I have studied hard and I am going to write the paper. I don't know what will be the result. So here what you have created? Tension, anxiety. Now here you are waiting also. Suppose you have given the examination. Now you are waiting for the result and you are all in tension. So here the quote applies that you have to do the work. You do not have to take tension about any of the desired result. Why? Because now you have created a tension, and weight frequency has been transmitted in the whole universe, and the thoughts are crisscrossing everywhere, and it is actually becoming your reality. So if you think the result will maybe bad, then obviously it will be bad. Okay, now if you are here you have manifested your thought frequency. This is why, guys, you do not have to take tension of whatever you have done. Even the thoughts are mental actions. Okay, so the thoughts which you have created are getting manifested. Now you are trying to manifest your ex back, and now you have practiced all kind of manifestation technique, but here you are creating weight frequency, tension frequency, to फल की चिंता मत कर. But you are फल की चिंता बहुत सारी है. You are taking tension. Now tension is getting manifested. It is becoming your reality. The X is going far, far, far more away. So yes, this is where you have to be detached. What is detachment? Now you do not have to care. You have to surrender to the universe. That yes, it will happen in divine timing. And what is divine timing? It is also practical. When your mind is fully detached from the desire and you do not care about, there is a state of mind where you do not even remember about that desire. So this level of detachment, if you have, you will successfully whatever you desire, your ex, maybe your government exam, you will clear with good marks. Obviously action is important in your career, so study hard, work smartly in your career. And for X, detachment, psychological action. This is when you do not care about someone, they care more about you, right? What is happening here? Your ex doesn't care about you. That person is detached, so scarcity is getting created inside you. so you care about them more. When you do not care about them, they will care about you. Okay, and here this is not ego, guys. What I'm saying is there is a line between ego and self-love, where you do not care about who comes, who goes from your life, but you are happy in yourself. Okay, you have a lot of work to do in your life. You still love that person. If that person comes, you will give heaven lots of love, you will care about that person. But if that person has a desire, that that person doesn't want to be with you, then you respect that decision. I have worked on this so much on myself, so I'm teaching this, guiding you all. So this is the level of detachment you should have, so that even if you manifest this specific person, your ex, your new love in your life, you have this, that if this person is not in your life, still you will be happy. Now here, when you still manifest, okay, you still have manifested, practiced. No, I actually want to say that you still have practiced the manifestation technique for this person. Okay, now you do not have to care about if this outcome comes in your life. Okay, if you care, then obsession will be created, then tension will be created, anxiety will be created, weight will be created, and the manifestation may not come or get delayed. Okay, so this we do not have to do, so we have to practice detachment, where we do not care and we are happy in ourselves. I will share a link of Osho detachment in my description box. You must do that. I actually practice that for detachment purpose, and I guide my clients in my Facebook Law of Attraction group and Instagram personal group also for detachment only, so that their manifestation should come and still they have self-love. So I hope I have made you clear. Thank you so much, guys.